In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Zoom's official website. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the option that says Sign Up Free. This will take you to the account creation process. The first thing Zoom will ask for is your birth year. This is used as part of their age verification, so simply type your birth year into the field provided. Then click Continue. After the page reloads, you'll see several different sign-up options. Zoom gives you the flexibility to create an account using an email address, SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook, or Microsoft. In this example, we're using Google, but you can choose whichever option is most convenient for you. If you select Google, the next page will either show the Google accounts already signed in on your device, or it will ask you to log in. If you already have a Google account open in your browser, just click on that account. If prompted, enter your password to continue. If you're not signed in yet, enter your email address and password to log in first. After that, Google will show you a permissions screen explaining what Zoom will be able to access from your Google account. Take a moment to review that information so you understand what you're approving. When you're ready, click Allow. This gives Zoom permission to use your selected Google account for sign up and login. Once the page reloads again, you should see the option to create your account. Click Create Account to finish the process. After that, your Zoom account will be set up and ready to use. That's all there is to it. Creating a Zoom account is a quick process, and using an existing Google account can make it even faster since you don't have to create a brand new username and password just for Zoom. If you prefer, you can follow the same basic process with one of the other available sign-up methods instead. Now you're ready to start using Zoom for meetings, classes, interviews, or team collaboration. Just make sure you remember which sign-in method you used, especially if you plan to log in again on another device later. And that's it. You've successfully created your Zoom account.